logic patterns in machines and zeros and ones are not real life things for humans. We're holistic body, soul, mind, understanding. We have 10 different kinds of intelligence. Machines only have one. It's kind of the antidote to say that you have wisdom when you talk about machines. Machines can have wisdom because they don't exist. The nature of artificial intelligence is actually not intelligence in that sense, it's computing. And the power of computing can get so good that I could appear to have consciousness. And everybody knows, of course, from philosophical discussions that consciousness has very little to do with intelligence. They are really two different things. I could pretend to be conscious. If I had an IQ of 50,000, I can set up the system to look like I have consciousness. What technology does, it simulates those things, like it simulates love. So yes, you can build a robot that will do the job and pretend to love you. It's straight from science fiction when we watched the latest Blade Runner, where he has the holographic girlfriend. She's beautiful and she'll do whatever, and he buys an extra device to make her nice looking, and then the power goes out and she's gone. And this is the world that we're heading into when we're thinking about machines substituting for humans. I think we have to have a reset on this and say, what is the value of nature? What is the value of doing something together? What's the value of effort? Rather than try to reduce all these things, because what we have now is kind of like the most ephemeral things are the most valuable things. But they're not allowed in technology because ephemeral is not a computer word. It's not understandable. Computers don't live in the real world. In the real world, whatever you're feeling, thinking, whatever accomplishments you have, they're dependent on your body very much. Now, you can't act well if your body is not well, can't think well. It's all connected. Machines don't have that. This is one of the key discussions about why we need to go back and teach our kids how to build sandcastles rather than to program an iPad. For a while, we thought that if we teach our kids and ourselves technology, that we can keep up with the machine. So I can program, so I'm good. But now it turns out, no, the machines will do the programming, no matter what program you want. I can ask my Apple Watch to build an app, and I can command ChatGPT to write a book. So it's really about the ephemeral stuff that makes us, the human-only things, which includes things like spirituality, wisdom, understanding, tacit knowledge, intuition, the murky stuff that is now our number one benefit. And we have to protect this, because the problem is that machines will not want this from us because it puts them out of commission. They don't understand us. They will expect logical behavior. So I think this needs to be protected in some way to teach us that this is a good thing. It may be inefficient, but it's good.